How to recover deleted emails from Gmail. Now, if you've deleted an email which you did not want to do so, and it is not in your trash bin, there is another thing which you can try and hope that it works. Now, Gmail has this separate recovery tool developed for exactly such cases. So all we have to do is Google Gmail recovery tool or click the link in the description, and the link is also going to be in a pinned comment. So we want to select this first website right here, which says Gmail message recovery tool. Okay, so this is the thing which you will be faced with. You have to click on confirm, and it is going to try and restore your permanently deleted emails. Sorry. Now, it didn't work for me because I do not have any permanently deleted emails, but chances are it is going to work for you. Fingers crossed. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you boys and girls next time. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.